Hey y'all, what's up friend? Clicked on this video, guess what? You a real one. No, but seriously, welcome to my channel. My name is Ebony. This is Eva's Plantful Journey. And this video, I'm gonna be doing some plant chores. I don't wanna say chores because it makes it seem like a task, but I must admit I have been a little lazy. I have something that has a lot of algae, a very expensive anthurium, so I need to stop being lazy. I love this hobby. I hope you do too. Let's get into it. So this plant that I'm gonna be watering right now is Fuzzy Wuzzy. I don't know how to say these names. It's fuzzypetiole. It's a aroid. So I have it in leca, and when I first put it in leca, it was really suffering. I don't know if you go back and look at some of my reels. I was so frustrated with it. I was gonna take it out. It lost a lot of leaves. These leaves on the bottom are the original leaves. This is one that, no. Only these two came in my kit actually, these large ones. And I have another one coming. And they're like coming bam, 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 back to back. The root system, I'm feeling this dark. It has a good bit of roots in there. Eventually I'm gonna take it out of this vessel, but I'm afraid. So if you sugar, see how it's sizing up the leaves? I had to come in close for this. Look at this. This is a pink lemonade, right? I just cut off 2 leaves because it was like crazy. I got a new leaf coming in. I don't want to disturb it. However, the issue is this. Do you see that? That's too much. That is too much algae. And then like I can see the little gnats just burrowing in there. Like it's giving me the heebie-jeebies. So we're gonna get this out of this moss I had it in. Since I got this plant. Shouldn't disturb it, but this has got to go. It's crazy. And yes, I'm gonna put it in leca. That has it soaked. That I haven't washed off either. Okay. Please, leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. All right, let's get back to this mess. I got this plant from South Carolina, Rare Plant Expo. You got as much off as I can stand to take off. So these are the roots. The roots. They look pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna put this. I was gonna put it in like a self-watering plant that I had, but I felt like it was too big. So I just went like a size up from my old, this is a vessel from a candle. So yeah, free 99. And then I'm just gonna put some more water in here. So like this, like so. And let me give you out a pretty one. like that, it is done. All is well with my soul. Let's see what happens. Here are some plants that I've already watered. Some of them are already watered because they're in ponds, so it's just like plain regular water. My alocasia, silver dragon, alocasia Mickey Mouse. It was a big one, then it got pests and it was nothing when I took it apart. Not took it apart, but tried to get rid of the pest. I noticed it had a corm and I planted the corm, and this is what I have. This one's needs to go get cut off. This is alocasia red secret. These are corms from my main plant. This is from my last unboxing. I've already potted it up. It's an alocasia zebriana, I believe it is. It has, since I got it, put out this leaf, and it's working on another. And what we have here is a Hoya that I got from my Green Escape haul also. And as you can see, if you watched that video, go check it out. It put out a leaf already. It's pretty significant since the last video was like maybe 2-3 weeks ago. And it's working on a second leaf. How fantastic is that? And here's my cute little special Hoya I like. I need to, I want to order these right quick. I need to pot that up in something, but oh Lord, don't mind that. But it's doing so well, like how it is already. This is my firefly tractor plant. This was in my haul. Oh my God, look at how good it looks compared to what it looked like in the last video. It's definitely a different looking plant. It is like, I think it's awesome. It's really, I think it's dope actually. Of course you guys know this is a plant I really love. It was in my last video also. Anthurium regal. But as you see, with her sexy self, she's putting out another little leaf. They go to Fuzzy in the corner. This is my anthurium clav. She has, don't mind those little crispies, they'll be okay, they'll get cut. She is busting loose, you hear me? I don't have anything to pollinate that with. I did a video where I pollinated her, and this was the first one I did. It's been months and months and months. I think it was like last year. I think it's finally, that looks bad. I think it's finally starting to get somewhere. Of course, as you can see, it didn't get up the whole petiole, I guess, whatever this is called. But I think it's gonna give me something. I did this one secondly, and here we have one in the female stage. Right here, I have a mounted, I don't know if it's a staghorn. I doubt it's a staghorn. If you know what kind of fern this is, please let me know in the comments because I have no clue. I think I have a staghorn. Big Bertha is currently in the sink. Over here, I have a Friday. I got this from the Green Escape also. I think I did a video on this one too, because they're on Amazon as well. I know I need to stake it, but yeah, she's definitely getting bigger. Here, I have my elbow, and she is doing good. It's a lot of white in it. I have one leaf that, you know, went crunchy due to the white, and that's before I started adding silica in. But ever since, she's been doing good. If you can see, she has another new leaf, but that's a pretty specimen for sure. Hanging up, I have Silver Ann mixed with, I don't know what the large form is called off the top of my head, but it's a mixed pot of the small one, the small version, and the big Syndapsis. Throw it away. Over here, this is a succulent. I thought it was like an ivy. I got this at the Rare Plant Expo, and it's doing really well. I don't know the name. If you know the name, leave it in the comments. I'm probably not gonna have time to look it up, but I would like to know so I can properly ID it. And over here in this next owl planter is a Hoya Princess, I believe. I got one little albino leaf, but she's doing good. I think it only came with one. I got it from, I don't know if it was the Green Escape. It might have been a Green Escape or either Orange Lake. Probably Orange Lake. And I think, let's wrap that up. Don't want to do too much. Don't do too much too soon. But in my fashion, I do want to leave you guys with an affirmation. And today's affirmation is, I am compassionate towards myself. So that was my little, 10-15 minutes of being compassionate towards myself. Taking some time to take care of my plants and doing something that I enjoy. Putting these videos out. Be blessed. Deuces.